Hi there, thanks for joining. One of my favorite tools is the palette knife and I use it to mix my colors. When you mix colors with a brush, you get something like this. Where is the paint? All the paint is in the bristles of the brush. So I put the paint on the canvas, but now all the paint is gone. And that's not bad if you want to paint a small part. But if you want to make bigger planes, then it's way more easy to pre-mix colors with your palette knife. When mixing with a palette knife, I always use the back side of the palette knife and I scrape the paint like this, whoop, and put it in the spot where I want it. And then I wipe off the excess paint like this. I make this motion. Almost all paint is gone. If I wipe it off with a paper towel like this, it's completely dry and completely clean. So now when I go over to my next color, the yellow in this case, I have a nice clean palette knife. The yellow won't be polluted with green. And I put it over here like this, so I can do this motion. And now I can mix them together. Again, this I do with the back side of my palette knife. And I roll this way and at the same time I put pressure on it. So I do it in slow motion like this. You can use a lot of pressure, no problem, just something like this. It won't hurt the paint, you see? And this way you can also pre-mix more colors like this. So I have total control about where the paint is, the pile of paint is gonna be. So this one is here, maybe I want another variation here. And when you like to paint from reality, this is ideal. Pre-mix some important colors on your palette. And now I just go painting like this. Okay, now I need the lighter variation. I put it over there. It's just an example, of course. This isn't a nice painting. And I need that other color for here, for instance. I feel like a painter now. And I don't have to be bothered with mixing colors all the time in between. And of course, when you paint small parts, you can easily adjust the color with your brush. That's no problem. There's nothing wrong with that. But for bigger planes, the palette knife is your big friend. Thanks for watching. See you next time.